Alright, hey everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thank you for taking the time to check out the website today. We're going to go over a 2014 Keystone Bullet. It's a 248 RKS, so it's a rear kitchen. We're going to start out on the inside and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me inside. Come on in everybody. We're going to start in the back here of this rear kitchen. We've got your fridge right in as you come in the door. As you move through, you've got your microwave, your oven, your stove. Got some good counter space here. Nice windows for natural light coming in. Good storage above and a large sink, one piece. I like that. You can get a lot of big stuff in there. Easy to get your stuff clean. Booth here, which makes down into a bed. Across from the booth, you've got a couch. Storage above both areas, and you've got a little TV here with your media player beside it. As we move through the trailer here, we've got our bathroom. Nice bathroom. We've got a glass shower door here with some storage beside the shower there. Sink, medicine cabinet, and storage below, and then your toilet over here to the left. Here we've got a good wardrobe storage. Hanging closet space here. Shelves here, and some drawers here. Here in the front of the trailer we've got a bedroom with its own door to the outside. Good storage above and across on the other side as well. We've got a little hatch here that goes down into our storage beneath the bed, pass-through storage, and then you've got some storage here. Got a little bit of an upgraded mattress here too. This didn't come with the trailer originally, so that's nice to have. Outside here you can see you've got a nice electric awning. Covers the majority of the trailer. It does not cover the front door, however. Got a large grab handle here in the back. Manual stabilizers around the trailer. That's the back of your refrigerator there, just a little drain coming out. Here's your power cord, your 30 amp. Little window in your back of your kitchen here. Around here we've got our water heater and our outside shower, hot and cold water. The previous owner did put on a slide topper on the slide. That's a great feature to have. As we move down the trailer, here's that storage we were talking about that goes underneath the bed. It's the pass-through there. It's great for putting your stuff you want to get to outside, lawn chair, stuff like that. All right, here in the front, we've got our propane and our electric tongue jack. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly with any questions you may have on this RV or any others we have in stock. My number is 541-228-6057. Hope you guys have a great day.